Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name's Steve. So today I'm going to be using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is a bit of a mouthful. I'm going to be using it to vlog today. I'm just going to be testing it out. I'm not going to go super in depth or anything like that. I'm just going to show you what it looks like and whether I think it's any good for vlogging. I bought it because I want to be able to capture more of the behind the scenes stuff that I do, both for my business here and for my my band that I'm playing, the Soul Revival. I'll put a link in the description. I wanted something that was versatile, something that was quick to sort of just whip out and shoot. Now I know I've got my phone, but there's reasons why I've gone with this, which I think you'll see if you follow the channel. I'm shooting in log 4K right now, so I can have some control over the colour afterwards. I'm going to do most of the editing of my vlogs on my phone, so I've got the Connect app so I can connect to it. Everything that you're watching today will have been edited on my phone using the app. For color grading, which it offers its own sort of pro color grading features in there, and then once I export it, I'm going to be putting that into Filmora, where I will edit the rest of the video. As you can see, I've got the app connected, so it can see what I can see. It's pretty cool. It gives you lots of options. You can adjust everything on there. You can see your battery life. That's really cool if I want to use it. Now I have got this, another one of these DJI microphones, but I'm currently using the microphone that's built directly into it. I keep looking at the screen, it's really distracting. I have already got two of these, so this is now a third. So I'm going to keep this one exclusively for vlogging, so I'll be mixed in with this set, and it will carry everywhere in this little pouch. How cool is this? The whole thing. So I've got the Osmo itself, then I've got the extra battery handle. So there is a handle that comes with it that just makes it a little bit bigger. It doesn't actually do anything, I don't think. It's just this thing here. It's quite small. That just goes into the bottom and extends the handle out. But I don't want that in. I've got the little mini tripod. It comes with the microphone as well as a wind muffler and a wire. I'm going to let the battery run all the way down to 0 today before I charge anything back up, because I think for battery health that's always best. And the Osmo comes with this cool little carry case, and it comes with a 15mm wide angle lens, which actually, let's give that a try. Let's give that a try right now and let's see how that looks. And there you go, there's the difference. It's made the shot a little bit wider. That's actually really bloody cool. I really like that. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this out for a little vlog. I'm going to leave this lens on because why not? And let's see what this thing can do. So one of my first favorite things I like about this camera is the tracking feature. So I'm here at the moment and I'm just going to make sure I've got active track on. So I double tap on my face. It's now enabled active track. So now as I move around the room a little bit, the camera is now following me, which seems to be pretty responsive. That's actually pretty cool. I'd be interested to hear what the audio is like coming straight out of the camera itself. Let's just have a little wander around. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk into some darker areas of the house and see how it handles low light. Now there is a night mode, but I'm not using it at the moment. I just stepped into the kitchen. It's a little bit lighter here, so let's go back out of here. Let's go into this dark hallway actually and see how it's handling all of this. Seems to be okay. What I'm going to do as well is test the microphone outdoors to see how good the mic is. But when there's a little bit of wind and stuff, that's where the DJI microphone might come in handy, who knows. But it'd be interesting to see what it's like without it. One of the things I like about this wide angle lens already is the fact that I don't have to hold the camera very far away from me at all. It's literally, I'm leaning my elbow against my chest. The camera is probably 10 to 12 inches away from my face, and yet I'm getting a massive wide field of view. So I'm really pleased with that already. So that's pretty cool. Let's go and take it outside and see what it's like outdoors. Okay, so
it would appear I need a new SD card as well. It doesn't seem to like this one. It keeps saying that the read speed of the card is a bit too slow, so I'm probably gonna have to go out and get another one later today. But here we are, we're just outdoors now, just giving it a little test. I've still got the wide angle lens on. I'm out by the canal, so I'm quite close to a main road, but not really close. So you can probably hear a little bit of traffic noise. I think I've still got the microphone set to stereo. So there's a good chance you're picking up noise from all over the shop. So I've got no idea at this point. I'm just gonna take a little shot of the canal. Just a really simple, quick test there of the 60 frames a second, just to see how it handles that as well. We'll slot that down afterwards. Now there is a super slow motion mode where it's got like, I think it's 120 frames a second or 100. I will try that out, but not today. I've got some stuff that I can use that for over the weekend, so I definitely will be testing that out. But for now, this is it. This is just my little test, just to get an idea of whether I need to use the microphone, whether I need to plug anything else into it, do I need any other accessories. I'm hoping that this is all I need. As far as the actual camera qualities are concerned, this looks to be very, very good. I don't think that's going to be an issue. So now it's just a simple case of getting this into the editor, seeing what the sound quality sounds like, and seeing if this is something I'm going to be using for the foreseeable future now as my go-to of vlogging kit. I can also use this for time lapses and various other little bits and pieces that I want to do as well in the future. So far, I've got to admit, I'm absolutely loving it. It's just so easy to use, and the functionality on the screen is so easy. I'm going to take this out, like I said, I'm going to take it out later, do a behind the scenes business vlog, episode 2, so let you know what it's like. So the next video that I do will be my vlog, my business vlog. I'm going to be using this. I'm pretty happy with that little rudimentary test that I've just done there. Hopefully that gives you a sort of real world example of what it's like to actually use this camera. Now, I know I haven't gone into a lot of the features, but I think for most people when they buy this sort of stuff, it's more about, does it work? Does it look good? Does it sound good? And is it easy to use? Answer to all those questions so far is it's a doddle to use. The form factor is great. I love the shape and size of it. In fact, let's try one thing actually. I just want to try and shoot some vertical footage. Let's just see what that looks like. So now I'm shooting some vertical footage, and now it's actually changed to 3K instead of 4K, because obviously we're losing some of that because it's cropped a little bit. It doesn't actually turn the gimbal on the side, it just literally crops, I think, down the middle. So you are losing a fraction of quality in terms of resolution, but I don't think that's really going to matter. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think it sounded okay? Do you think it looked okay? Do you think that this should be my camera going forward to do all of my future vlogs? Hopefully this has been a long enough test to actually know whether it's going to be good enough, and I will test it out into some more challenging lighting conditions tomorrow night when I'm at my show. So until then, thank you very much for watching, and subscribe, like. We've just hit 2,000 subscribers, which I'm dead happy about. This is no nonsense, no frills kind of vlog going on. I just want to show you guys what we get up to. I've got a shoot on Sunday as well for a birthday party. I might be able to get little bits of that if the people are okay with it. So thanks very much for tuning in. Catch you again soon.